In this video, I'll guide you through how to leave a review on Indeed. Whether you've had a great experience with an employer or you want to share some constructive feedback, leaving a review is a simple way to help other job seekers make better decisions. I'll walk you through each part of the process step by step so you know exactly what to expect before you hit submit. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to the Indeed website. Once you're there, look for the search bar, usually located near the top of the page. This is the same search bar you might use to look for jobs, but in this case, you'll be using it to find the company you want to review. Click into the search bar and type the name of the company you'd like to leave a review for. Try to type it as accurately as possible, especially if the company name is common or has multiple locations. If you see suggestions appear as you type, choose the one that best matches the company you worked for or are currently working at. Then go ahead and run the search. Once the search results load, you'll see a list of companies that match what you typed. Find the correct company in the list and click on its name. This will open the company's main page on Indeed. On this page, you'll usually see an overview of the company, its overall rating, salary information, common job titles, and reviews from other current and former employees. Now that you're on the company's page, look for the option to write a review. Depending on your screen size and layout, this might appear as a button that says write a review or something similar, often located near the existing ratings or review section. Take a moment to scroll if you don't see it right away. It's usually fairly prominent. Click on write a review. This will bring you to a form where you can share your experience. You'll typically start by rating your overall experience with the company, often on a scale of 1 to 5 stars, with 1 being very poor and 5 being excellent. Think about your time there, including the work environment, management, work-life balance, pay and benefits, and opportunities for growth, and choose the rating that best reflects your experience. After selecting your rating, you'll usually see additional fields for more detailed feedback. Even if only a rating is strictly required, it's a good idea to add a clear, honest description of your experience. Focus on facts, keep your tone respectful, and avoid sharing sensitive personal information. The more specific and balanced your review is, the more helpful it will be for others. When you're done writing, review what you've written for clarity and spelling. Make sure you're comfortable with everything you've shared, since your review may be visible publicly. Once you're satisfied, look for the button to submit your review and click it. That's all there is to it. You've searched for the company, opened its page, clicked to write a review, rated your experience, and submitted your feedback. By taking a few minutes to share your honest perspective on Indeed, you're helping other job seekers make more informed choices and giving employers valuable insight into what they're doing well and where they can improve.